Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Arij Banaat from Sama Al Private School in Jarash. Today we're going to have a grade 6 action pack review 3 that is on page 55 on the pupils book, and we're going to learn today to write a story. Now before you write a story, you must have a look at the following questions and you should answer them. The first question is who? The second is where. The third is what. The fourth is what the problem is. And the fifth is what is the solution, or how does the story end. Now, if you want to have a look at this sample, I chose today to write about Little Red Riding Hood, which is ذات الرداء الأحمر or ليلى والذئب, as you know it in Arabic. Now we have a number of questions to answer, as we said. So who are the characters of the story? Now, of course, we have Little Red Riding Hood, the wolf who tries to eat her, Grandma, and the lumberjack, or the guy who cuts down the trees. The question where, the answer is in the forest. So basically the story takes place in the forest. And the question what, it means like what happens in the story, what are the incidents, what kind of action happens in the story. And this is where the girl, or Little Red Riding Hood, decides to visit her grandma, and you know how the story goes on after that. Now there is a problem in this story, which is that there is a hungry wolf who meets the girl, or Little Red Riding Hood, in the forest and then plans to eat her. And the final, or the resolution or the solution of this story is that a lumberjack hears cries of help. He goes to the house, he kills the wolf and saves the little girl and her grandma. Now I'm going to show you a sample of my writing for this story, but before you read it, I would like you to get a pencil and a piece of paper and try to write your own, version of the story. Now remember, writing can be different. Each person can write differently, as you know, and of course, there's no one correct answer. So this is my sample of writing. Please compare it to the one that you have. One day, Little Red Riding Hood decided to take some food to her grandma, who lived on the other side of the forest. While she was walking, a wolf jumped in front of her. He asked her where she was going. She told him she was on her way to her grandma's house. The wolf quickly went to Grandma's house and ate her. When Little Red Riding Hood arrived, he ate her too. Meanwhile, a man cutting down trees heard the girl's cry for help. He took his axe, killed the wolf, and cut him open. Grandma and Little Red Riding Hood came out and thanked the man. The end. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something new today. Please send me your samples of writing on Facebook. Wish you the best. Take care of yourselves and have a lovely day. Bye.